Bandit featuring Jess Glynn, Rather Be here at 987, your number one hit music station. Jermaine with you here on The Knockout, and still to come, I got some BB Rexa, but
Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to our nature park, a heaven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers alike. Today, I'll embark on a journey to capture the beauty of the wild through my lens. The park is home to a diverse array of wildlife. Patience is key. Sometimes the best shots come when you least expect them. Adjust your camera settings for the best results. Use a fast shutter speed to capture movement and adjust the ISO for the lighting conditions. As our walk comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Nature photography is not just about the photos. It's about the connection we feel with the world around us.